Have you ever wondered how to turn your dreams into reality? You might have heard of the law of identical harvest, a powerful concept that shows how the energy we put into the world is exactly what we get back. Today we'll look into how this universal law can help you manifest your deepest desires and bring your wishes to life. The law of identical harvest is simple. The energy you plant is the energy you reap. Everything in the universe works on this law. Just like a seed grows into the type of plant you plant, your thoughts and actions grow into the results you desire. Whether you're planting positive energy, hard work, and doubt, the results are a direct reflection of what you've put into the world. To manifest a wish, first you must understand that what you focus on and the energy you dedicate to it will return to you in the form of your reality. The energy of your thoughts is critical here. If you focus on negative thoughts or fear, those will also come to fruition just as much as positive energy will. This means that cultivating a mindset of abundance, belief in yourself, and determination is the soil that grows your dreams. You must start with faith in the process and trust that what you are planting will bear fruit. By becoming aware of this law, you start to realize that you have the power to choose what you cultivate in your life. If you want to bring a wish to reality, you need to ensure that the energy you are sowing aligns with your desires, creating a perfect environment for manifestation. In order to manifest your wishes, it's crucial to have clarity on what you want. Often people struggle because they are unclear about their desires or hold on to conflicting thoughts. If your mind is filled with doubts, distractions, or mixed signals, it's difficult to focus your energy on one clear intention. Take time to reflect and get clear on your desire. Ask yourself, what do I truly want? What do I believe I deserve? Once you've pinpointed your wish, it's important to set a strong intention. The difference between a simple wish and a strong intention lies in your level of commitment and focus. A wish is a desire, but an intention is a determined decision to make that desire a reality. Write down your intention, visualize it clearly, and commit to doing everything necessary to bring it to fruition. Your thoughts, emotions, and actions all need to align with this intention. If you desire financial success, for example, your thoughts should be focused on abundance, your emotions should match that energy, and your actions should be aligned with growth, investment, and taking the steps to build wealth. The law of identical harvest reminds you that clarity is everything. The universe doesn't respond to vague or mixed intentions. It responds to clear, specific energy. The more specific you can get with your desires and the clearer your mind becomes, the more likely you are to manifest exactly what you wish for. Manifestation is not just about thinking about your desires, but aligning your energy with them. Energy is everything in this world, and everything vibrates at a frequency. Your emotions, thoughts, and actions all emit vibrations that attract similar energy. The law of identical harvest teaches us that like attracts like. This means that if you want to manifest something, you must match the energy of what you're desiring. If your goal is to be healthy, for example, your thoughts should be filled with gratitude for your body, and your actions should support health, such as eating nutritious food, exercising, and taking care of your well-being. The energy you put out, whether it's through thoughts, feelings, or actions, will return to you in the same form. If you focus on health, your energy will align with the vibration of health, and you will begin attracting circumstances and opportunities that reflect this. This principle extends to every area of life: love, career, relationships, and personal growth. If you're seeking love, your energy should be one of openness, self-love, and appreciation. If you're after success, your energy should be filled with confidence, self-worth, and determination. What you put into the universe will be mirrored back at you in the form of your reality. To align your energy, take daily steps to maintain a positive, high vibrational state. This could include affirmations, meditation, positive thinking, and doing things that raise your frequency. The more aligned your energy is with your desire, the faster your wishes will manifest. Manifestation requires patience and trust. You've set your intention, aligned your energy, and now it's time to trust the process. The law of identical harvest works in its own time, and although you may not see results immediately, rest assured that your efforts are making a difference. When you focus on your intentions and maintain high energy and alignment, the universe begins to make the necessary shifts to bring your wishes into fruition. Trusting the process means letting go of doubts and impatience. The more you try to control the outcome, the more resistance you create. Instead, trust that the universe is orchestrating things for your highest good, and everything is unfolding exactly as it should. If things don't seem to be happening as fast as you want, take a step back and allow the energy to work behind the scenes. Trust is key to manifesting what you truly desire. The universe responds to your level of faith. When you trust in the process and know that your desires are coming to you, you stay aligned with the energy of abundance. This positive mindset speeds up the manifestation process and opens up the channels for your wishes to become reality. Gratitude plays a vital role in the manifestation process. It's essential to express gratitude for everything you have, as this helps you stay in the vibration of abundance. The more grateful you are, the more you signal to the universe that you are ready to receive. Gratitude keeps you in a state of positive energy, reinforcing the law of identical harvests by ensuring that the energy you put out is one of appreciation and openness. Gratitude should not be limited to the manifestations that have already occurred. It should be extended to everything in your life, including what you are still waiting to receive. When you are grateful for what you already have, you create a positive environment where more blessings can flow in. Gratitude is an energy multiplier. It amplifies everything in your life, including your wishes. Along with gratitude, be open to receiving your desires. Sometimes people block the flow of their manifestations by being closed off or skeptical about the universe's ability to deliver. Keep your heart open and allow the blessings you've asked for to come to you, even if they arrive in unexpected ways. The universe has a way of surprising us with exactly what we need. And by staying open, you make space for those blessings to come. Bringing a wish to reality requires a clean and positive environment. This doesn't just mean physical spaces, but also mental and emotional ones. Negative influences, whether they come from toxic relationships, pessimistic thoughts, or self-doubt, act as obstacles that block your energy and hinder your manifestations. Start by identifying areas in your life that drain your energy. Are there people who constantly criticize your dreams or fill you with doubt? Are there habits, like procrastination or fear that hold you back. Recognizing these influences is the first step to eliminating them. Write down what or who is limiting your growth and take intentional steps to address them. This may mean setting boundaries or creating routines that protect your energy. Replacing negativity with positivity is equally important. Surround yourself with uplifting individuals who support your goals. Cultivate habits that reinforce your desires, such as practicing daily affirmations or listening to motivational content. The more positive energy you create, the easier it is to manifest your dreams. Keep in mind that it's a process. Removing negativity doesn't happen overnight, but every small step you take makes a big difference. The cleaner your internal and external environment, the better your energy will flow toward achieving your desires. Visualization is a powerful tool in the manifestation process. When you can see your desire clearly in your mind, you're creating a mental blueprint that the universe can work with. But visualization isn't just about seeing. It's about feeling. The emotions tied to your vision are what fuel the law of identical harvest. Spend a few minutes each day visualizing your wish as if it has already come true. Close your eyes and imagine the details. What does your life look like? Who are you with? How does it feel? Engage all your senses. For example, if you're visualizing your dream home, imagine the sound of the door opening, the smell of fresh paint, or the warmth of the sunlight streaming through the windows. Emotional energy amplifies the process. If you feel joy, gratitude, or excitement during your visualization, you're sending a strong signal to the universe. These emotions act as magnets, pulling your desires closer to you. Conversely, if your visualization is filled with doubt or fear, it weakens your manifestation. Make visualization a daily habit, whether it's in the morning, before bed, or during a quiet moment in your day. Use this time to connect deeply with your desire. The more vividly and emotionally you can see and feel your wish, the faster it will manifest. Manifestation isn't just about thinking, it's also about doing. Taking inspired action bridges the gap between your dreams and reality. The universe often works through your actions, creating opportunities and pathways for your wishes to come true. What is inspired action? It's action that feels aligned with your goals and comes from a place of intuition and clarity. It's not forced or stressful, rather it feels natural and exciting. For instance, if your wish is to start a successful business, inspired action might include researching your market, networking with like-minded individuals, or even taking a course to enhance your skills. Sometimes, inspired action is about stepping out of your comfort zone. Growth requires courage, and the universe often tests your commitment to your desires by presenting challenges. Accept these moments as opportunities to prove your determination and align even more closely with your goals. The law of identical harvest works hand in hand with your efforts. The energy you invest in your actions will be reflected in your results. By consistently taking steps toward your desires, you signal to the universe that you're ready to receive. One of the hardest parts of manifestation is waiting. Often, we want instant results, but the universe operates on its own schedule. This is where the concept of divine timing comes into play. Divine timing means trusting that everything is unfolding exactly when and how it's meant to, even if it doesn't align with your timeline. Patience is a powerful virtue in manifestation. It allows you to stay focused on your goals without succumbing to frustration or doubt. When you feel like giving up, remind yourself that every seed takes time to grow. Just because you don't see results yet doesn't mean progress isn't happening beneath the surface. To accept divine timing, practice surrender. Let go of the need to control every detail and trust that the universe is working in your favor. This doesn't mean sitting back and doing nothing. It means balancing action with faith. Continue working toward your goals, but release the attachment to when and how they'll manifest. Divine timing also teaches valuable lessons about resilience and gratitude. By learning to wait, you develop a deeper appreciation for the blessings you receive, making your manifestations even more meaningful. Manifestation doesn't end once you've achieved your wish. Sustaining your manifestation is just as important as creating it. The law of identical harvest is ongoing, which means the energy you continue to put into your life will determine whether your success grows or fades. To sustain your manifestation, maintain the habits and mindset that helped you achieve it. For example, if you've manifested a healthier lifestyle, keep prioritizing exercise, nutrition, and self-care. If you've manifested a career breakthrough, continue working with passion and dedication. Gratitude plays a huge role in sustaining your success. Regularly reflect on your journey and express thanks for what you've achieved. Gratitude keeps you aligned with the energy of abundance, ensuring that more blessings flow your way. Stay open to growth. Manifestation is not a one-time event, it's a continuous process. As you achieve one wish, new desires will arise, and the cycle of planting, nurturing, and harvesting will begin again. Accept this journey as an ongoing adventure of creation and self-discovery. The law of identical harvest is a powerful reminder that your reality is shaped by the energy you cultivate. By aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions with your desires, trusting the process, and staying committed, you can bring any wish to reality. The power is in your hands. Take control of your energy, plant seeds of positivity and intention, and watch as the universe mirrors your efforts. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more insights on how to create the life you truly desire.